This video will demonstrate how to install the Suite2Xero packages into your SuiteCRM installation. We're going to use the full pack installation as an example. Individual installations of the packages use the same procedure. You should have downloaded your Suite2Xero package to your local hard drive and received your validation key. If it is a multi-pack, you need to extract the zip files from within the primary zip file before installation. Navigate to your Suite2Xero package and open it with your zip file utility. The full pack has 3 zip files and an installation README file. Highlight them all and extract them to your computer, and remember where you've extracted them to. Open your SuiteCRM installation and navigate to the Admin Module Loader component. Click on the Browse button and navigate to the extracted zip files. Select the zip files one at a time and upload them to your SuiteCRM installation. Install the BFS Suite2Xero zip file first. Accept the license and click on the Commit button. When installation completes, you will be asked to enter your validation key. Enter the key in the field provided and click on Validate. If you get a success message, click on the Continue button and you'll be redirected to the Xero Configuration Settings module. Click on the Create link and fill in all the available fields. If this step is not completed correctly, your SuiteCRM installation will not connect to your Xero installation. Click on the Save button when done. Return to the Admin Module Loader section and install any remaining packages. During the installation process, you may see a number of pop-up notifications. They refer to custom detail view files that have been located in your installation and backed up. Once the modules have been installed, navigate to the Admin Repair module and click on the Quick Repair and Rebuild icon. Once the repair is completed, scroll to the bottom of this window. You can see some changes have to be made to the database. Click on the Execute button and your installation is complete. If you navigate now to the Accounts or Contacts list views, select multiple accounts, click on the Bulk Action menu and you'll see a new Send to Xero option. The same option is available in the account and the contacts list view. And in the individual detail views for an account or a contact. in the Actions menu. You'll see Send to Xero as well. Also within the detail view of the accounts and contacts, you will see two new fields, Xero ID and Xero Link. The Xero ID field will be filled with the ID of the contact record within Xero. The Xero Link field will have a direct URL to that contact record in Xero from SuiteCRM. That's the end of this video. If you require any further information, please don't hesitate to get in contact with us.